What's up, everyone? Sam here. Something a little bit different than we've been doing in the past. A little bit of a live video with one of my all-time favorite producers in the entire world. So this is Paul Jaboulet Aine 2015. This is the Grand Terrasses Cornas from the Northern Rhone. I'm actually going to taste it with you guys. I'm super excited. So a little bit of info on the wine. If you're going to name, the biggest producers within the entire Rhone Valley, Paul Jaboulet is easily, I would say, in the top three. They go from north to south, making some of the best wines from all the small appellations. You can get a Côte de Rhone by Paul Jaboulet, you can get a Châteauneuf de Pape, but where I think they specialize, which is my favorite red wine style in the world, is their Northern Rhone Syrahs. So this is 100% Syrah grown in Cornas, which is a small appellation in the Northern Rhone that is most known for its kind of granite, smoky, really, really savory styles of red wine. Definitely in that medium-bodied, not overwhelmingly fruit forward. This is almost as savory as it gets when it comes to red wine being made worldwide. So like I said, 100% Syrah in the most classic style. When I think of blind tasting Syrah specifically, something where I use the notes, I don't really know what's in the wine. There's three things that give away Syrah to me: bacon fat, smoke, and smooth, soft, round tannins. I find that other grapes and other varietals are a little bit sharper, where this is a lighter style, a little bit lower in alcohol, coming from a cooler climate. So right off the bat, there is still some fruit here. I think there's a lot of dried cherries, a little bit of that dried raspberry, a little fig thing going on. But like I said, still on the savory note. There's a ton of smoke on this wine, a ton of that kind of cinnamon spice box coming from the oak, and a lot of just really, really dark fruits, a lot of plum and things of that nature. You see the color, still pretty dark, still pretty concentrated. I don't think it's going to be as light as some other Syrahs from the Northern Rhone. But 2015 being a really good vintage, yeah, I mean, this is just on point right now. The palate is a little bit more fruit forward. I think because the vintage is a little bit riper. I get a little bit more of that fresh Bing cherry thing other than the dried that I get on the nose. But still, bacon fat, smoke, a lot of earthiness, and a lot of kind of terroir-driven wines. One of the things is people always say Cornas tends to be a little flinty, and that's just because of the cool climate and the terroir it comes from, that kind of granite thing that comes through. Plenty of tannins here. Northern Rhone, age-worthy wines. This wine's drinking really well right now, but I think it drinks the best probably 10 years from now. Definitely decant. I know I just opened this. I can tell that it needs a little bit of time. I'm probably going to go back to it and try to taste it in about an hour or so. But yeah, really cool wine from a really specific vineyard from one of the all-time, my favorite and best producers in the Rhone Valley. Hope you guys enjoy.